Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hummus. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, a good quality tahini, fresh lemon juice, and a couple of garlic cloves. Having these ready ensures a smooth and easy process. We'll combine these simple items to create a wonderfully flavorful dip that's perfect for any occasion. Now, let's prepare our chickpeas for the smoothest hummus possible. Drain and rinse your 15-ounce can of chickpeas very well. For an extra creamy texture, take a few minutes to remove the skins from each chickpea. This step, while optional, truly elevates the final product. If you're using dried chickpeas, ensure they are soaked overnight and then cooked until very tender. Next, it's time to blend everything into that perfect creamy consistency. Add your prepared chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, and garlic to a food processor. Begin blending and gradually add 2 to 4 tablespoons of cold water or even a little ice water until the hummus reaches your desired smoothness. Keep processing until it's incredibly light and airy, scraping down the sides as necessary. Finally, let's add those finishing touches and get ready to enjoy. Taste your hummus and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt or lemon juice to your preference. Transfer it to a serving bowl, create a swirl on top, and drizzle generously with 1 to 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. Garnish with a sprinkle of paprika or fresh parsley. Serve immediately with warm pita bread or fresh vegetables.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.